Welcome to day 4 of the Mental Clarity Reset. So far, we've talked about hydration, protein, and brain energy. Today, we're focusing on something that has a major impact on brain clarity: stress and sleep. Many people don't realize how closely stress, sleep, and brain function are connected. When stress stays elevated over time, it can affect focus, memory, mood, and mental energy. This is when you may start to notice brain fog, trouble concentrating, or feeling mentally drained. At a deeper level, this connects to cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. Cortisol naturally follows a rhythm. It's higher in the morning to help you wake up and lower in the evening so your body can relax and prepare for sleep. But when stress is high, that rhythm can get disrupted, and cortisol can stay elevated at night. And when that happens, it can feel harder to unwind, fall asleep, or stay asleep. And sleep is when your brain does some of its most important work. During sleep, your brain processes information from the day and helps clear out waste that builds up while you're awake. That's why having a simple evening routine can make a big difference. For me, one of the things I do each night is my skincare routine. It helps signal to my body that the day is winding down and it's time to relax. Other habits like dimming lights, reducing screen time, and going to bed at a consistent time can support better sleep. Some people also choose to support their stress response and sleep with targeted nutrients. For example, I personally use a combination of stress support and magnesium in my evening routine. Stress relief complex includes ingredients like ashwagandha, which has been studied for helping the body adapt to stress and support healthy cortisol balance. This can be especially helpful when your body feels wired but tired at night. Magnesium plays an important role in calming the nervous system and supporting muscle relaxation. That's why I also use Vital Mag. It helps support relaxation so your body can transition into more restful sleep. When you sleep better, your brain can recover better, and that shows up as clearer thinking the next day. But as always, the foundation is simple habits. Your daily routines matter most. Tonight, start paying attention to your evening routine. Small changes can have a powerful impact on how clearly your brain functions the next day. Tomorrow we'll bring everything together and talk about long term brain health. I'll see you back here tomorrow.